Hello everyone, Natalie here from Serpwizz, and today we are back again with another video for the SEMRUSH series where we talk about the different tools that SEMRUSH offers if and when you sign up with them. So quickly, just a background. So here in the Serpwizz YouTube channel, we do reviews and tutorials of different SEO tools coming from different SEO companies in the market. So today, or this series in particular, is all about SEMRUSH. So we have done quite a lot of these tools already, beginning from the SEO category to the local SEO category, and now we're down to the advertising category. And for today specifically, we will be discussing about Pla Research. So PLA, or product listing ads, is essential to when you're doing business online. So you would want to familiarize yourself with this, and there's no better way to do that than by utilizing the tool or this tool from SEMRUSH. So PLA Research is kind of like an optimization to upgrade your campaigns using the SEMRUSH PLA data. So quickly now, let's just go through a bit more in detail about what this tool is and what we can expect from it. So it allows you to discover product listing ads that showed up for every keyword, view the number of search queries that trigger rivals PLAs to appear. You get insights as well for your e-commerce strategy, and analyze ads and keywords in detail. So you will be able to, or you have the opportunity to get access to the data on a promoted product's title and price. So let's see what that's all about. Let's utilize this tool to see what kind of results we're gonna get. For here, let's just use one of the examples. Let's try Amazon.com. And immediately we are given this result, so not much loading time at all, so that's great. So here you can see Amazon's positions in terms of PLA trend, keywords. You see the results right here, and ads. And aside from the numbers, you get a graphic representation of the upward and downward trends over the course of these months. And then you also get the PLA positions, like these on the list, and as well as so that's for position, and then volume, price, trend, SERP or search engine results page, last update. And if you want to view more results, of course, there's the option. Oh yeah, I see it's blocked right there. I mean, the specific screen is blocking it. Yeah, because right now, currently, we're using a free trial account just so we can have like a quick gauge on what the SEMRUSH tools are all about. That's why we're using a free trial account. So yep, that's what you can get if you utilize this tool. Let's check these tabs right here. So competitors wise, we will be so these are the competitors for Amazon. You see eBay right there, Target, Best Buy, Etsy, and as well as their common keywords, PLA keywords, paid keywords, and the likes, paid traffic, and such. And here we have Pla copies. So as you can see here, if for example you entered your own domain and you want to get changes in this domain's PPC strategy, then all you need to do is just click here on Notify Me, and it will have you notified for those specific variables. And then here you see PLA copies, so these are just copies of the different products that are under Amazon. So that's great because you then be able to see how they're using keywords and strategies to their advantage, and so you can also apply that to yours, hopefully to make yours better in terms of ranking and of course sales after. So that's what you need this tool for. So yeah, basically that's it for Pla Research. If you want to sample this for yourself, then definitely you can sign up for an account here in SEMRUSH. But yeah, if you want to know more about the other tools that are under them, then definitely keep on watching or stay tuned to this channel and this series in particular, because we'll be talking a lot more about them in the coming videos in the next couple of days. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you on the next one.